Well, viewers, in this lecture, I am going to talk about how to learn speaking English. Everybody wants to learn speaking English. Parents of children also want that their children should speak English uh, with flow and fluency. But I have observed in my long experience of teaching of English that most of the learners and students are unable to speak English. They do not know how to speak English. They tell me, sir, I understand English, but I cannot speak English fluently. This is the problem that is faced by majority of students, particularly in Bihar, UP, Jharkhand, and north part of the country. I therefore want to talk about some of the important things, some of the important recipes, some of the important tips for practice of speaking English in this lecture, so that the majority of students may benefit from this lecture. First of all, let me make it clear that speaking English brings a lot of advantages and benefits over non-speakers of English. Those who know how to speak English get preference and privilege over those students who do not know how to speak English. So, I am going to suggest some of the measures, some of the remedies to learn speaking English. Learners or those who want to learn English, who want to learn speaking English, must practice learning English every day, speaking English every day. They must practice speaking English for 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes every day. In the beginning, they may have difficulty, but for the beginners, I would like to suggest that they should use 5 or 6 words in English and 1 or 2 words in Hindi. Slowly and slowly, they should shift from Hindi to English entirely, fully. If they practice it every day, they will start speaking English one day. They should not have hesitation in speaking English. They should speak English even if they commit mistakes, errors, make hundreds of mistakes, make hundreds of errors, but slowly and slowly spot the errors, find out the errors, and minimize your mistakes and errors. This practice will make the learners efficient, proficient, and frequent in speaking English. Slowly and slowly, hesitation will go out. But in the beginning, they should not have hesitation in speaking English. They should not be scared of the criticism of the people. I have found that when learners try to speak English for learning, people discourage them, people criticize them. But the learner should not be affected by this criticism because they are learners, they are learning English. And if they do not speak English, how will they learn to speak English? I think speaking learning is like swimming. Just as one can write a long essay on swimming by studying books on swimming. But so long as one does not land into water, one does not go into water, one cannot learn how to swim. In the same way, so long as learners do not speak English, learners do not practice speaking English, they cannot learn speaking English. I therefore advise and suggest that learners and students must practice speaking English every day. Another problem that learners or students face in course of learning speaking English is that they complain that they have none to converse with in English. They have none to speak to in English. There is a remedy to this problem also. If you have no listeners, no audience to speak to yourself. Be a speaker yourself and be learner, be listener yourself. Speak on any topic such as your neighbor, your village, your town, your city, the political situation of your town or city, the economic condition of your town and city, the political condition of your town and city, and so on in your mind. Practicing this, you will be a good speaker of English. Those who laugh at you today will appreciate you tomorrow when you will speak English fluently and flowingly. I therefore recommend that learners, students must practice speaking English every day. If I can speak English, why not you? If I can speak English, why not any other? So it's just a skill. If you practice this skill, you will learn it and you will not have hesitation in speaking English anywhere. And wherever you go, wherever you talk in English, you will get benefit of it. You will get advantage of others. Therefore, my humble suggestion to all the learners is practice, practice, practice speaking English every day. If you have none to listen to, none to speak to, then speak to yourself, speak in your mind, and thus speaking happens. By this, your English, the level of your English will go on improving and improving and improving. Thanks.